when you need to make plans for the next year, but not ready to start the next year planner. You can customize your current planner with some pages from your next year planner. Take the new planner's year at a glance pages and relocate them to your current planner. Just like that. Next, you can copy all birthdays and holidays from the past to the new year months. Some holidays change the date every year. Check online the next year dates. Don't forget to add new events, appointments, some annual, quarterly payments, tax filing deadline, tests, exams, vacation. This is how you stay organized and on point with next year's stuff while still using your current planner. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.